Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to get discount on products or services using Coupert extension. So this extension is totally free of cost. In this video I will show you live example to use this extension. So now first of all we need to install this extension. So open Google and just type here Coupert extension. Enter. I will give you that link in the description. So open this Coupert automatic coupon finder and cashback. We need to click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Now wait some seconds. Now done. Coupert is installed. We need to sign up with this. So you can sign up with Google account. So click on sign up with Google. Then it's done. Now click on that here in the extension and you will see here Coupert. Just spin this. And now you can see that is Coupert. Click on that. You can see that one is your account. Okay. And that one is offers list. Now what we need to do here. Let's open some website. Suppose I want to buy domain name. I will use Namecheap. So open namecheap.com and I want to buy some domain name. Suppose 7codingbuzz.com and then search. And wait some seconds. Yes, it's available. So click on add to cart. And now click on view item. And let's see the price is $9.16. Now I want to click on the checkout. And now we need to apply the coupon. And you can see automatically apply coupon here. So just click on that apply coupon and wait some seconds. Now we have to pay $9.6 and wait some seconds. You don't need to find any coupon code and then type here and then apply and try again and again some. You don't need to do anything. This will automatically apply all coupons. And let's see, wait some seconds. So as you can see, you saved $0.59. Cool. So it means just cross this and you can see that coupon FCNC is applied and now you need to pay only $8.57. And now you can just click on confirm order and buy that domain. So this is for domain. Now you can use this extension in other products also. So suppose let's open some website, Coupert.com, and let's buy some products or some service. So just search here anything like suppose optical care. Okay, and let's just search it. And let's find something and let me just try this one optical care. It's around $50. Okay, so but I want to buy that $84 product. Okay, it's already $120 and we already have discounted like $84, but we will get more discount using this extension. So let's try to buy now. Click on buy now and let's go to the click on continue as a guest. Now as you can see we need to pay some amount like around $84. Okay, and let's apply coupon again and let's wait some seconds. So as you can see here we just need to pay only $58. Cool. So that's the amazing extension. So you just need to click on place order. So this is the amazing extension. Using this extension you can grab lot of offers. So if you need any help on that, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.